name is Bo Vescio. I own Vescio's Customizing and Restoration up in Rogers, Minnesota. It's about 20 minutes north of the Twin Cities. You know, it's what we do. We build street rods. This car here, the customer got a hold of us. He's come out to the back of the 50s a few years in a row. Saw our cars at the House of Kolor booth. It was already chopped when we got it. An older guy that did some work around there had done it, but was real slow at it, and he just had it sitting. So we brought it in, and now it's a running, driving, finished car ready to go. If we talk to anybody, one of the questions is, what color is that? We've been spraying these House of Kolor colors for 13 years since I started the shop. They say they put the best of the best in it, and it holds up. It just lasts. We have cars we've had done 13 years ago, some of the first cars we did, to this day still shines and holds up and looks as good. And you get a pretty big bang for your buck. Everybody loves the colors all the time. So, but they want to know what they are, and they're always, each one's just a little bit custom, a little bit different.